Hi, this is your host from ASUS Zenfone Lite L1 development. So, as we know, we finally have the custom ROM development for the ASUS Zenfone Lite L1. Thanks to Saalim, Raza, and Inder for making this possible. In this video, we will be seeing how to install Lineage OS 17.1 public beta custom ROM. For this, you no need to have any patches like we used to install in GSI. You need latest Android and TWRP, which I have provided the link in the description. Then you need to come from Android Pie Beta. That too I will show you how to do that, and the ROM which you can download from the link in the description, also GApps if you require. As you can see, I am currently in Havoc OS GSI, which uses the Android Oreo vendor. Anyway, I am going to straightly install it as it is a custom ROM. Reboot to recovery. Wipe Dalvik, data, cache, system, and also vendor. Yes, we don't need vendors as the ROM itself has it. Now go to install and install the Lineage OS. That's how easy it is. I prefer installing GApps after the first boot up. So yeah, once it's installed, clear the cache and reboot to the system. We are going to see our first custom ROM from booting. Yeah, I'm really excited. What? Okay guys, it won't work on top of Oreo vendors, so now I'm going to taking back to Pi Beta. For that, I can directly install the Pi Beta using ADB sideload, which is simple. Just flash the stock recovery and reboot to recovery. Select apply update from ADB sideload. Connect to PC and go to tool and type ADB sideload and drag and drop the Pi Beta file. Now installing the Pi Beta. Now I have successfully installed the Pi Beta and I'm not gonna boot that and all, just rebooting to bootloader. From here I am booting to pitch black recovery by using fast boot and drag and drop the recovery file. Still it's a mistake as we need to use only Android and TWRP, not pitch black. Anyway, we do mistakes. Once it is booted to recovery, I am installing the Blick Batch recovery as recovery. Now rebooting to recovery to save the recovery. Now this try. Go to wipe. Will wipe Dalvik, data, cache, system and also vendor. Go to install and install the Lineage OS. It is installing. Now clear cache and reboot to system. Yes, it's booting. Okay, it's booted, we'll check the things. Where's the camera? Where it is? Well, I have a Google Camera Go, so let me install it. Installed. Will open. What? Again? As I said, it's all trial and error. So just to demonstrate you, I have did these things. So what you have to do is you need to install PyBeta. After that, install TWRP Android 10. To save it, rebooting to recovery. Now go to wipe and wipe Dalvik data cache system and vendor. Go to install and install the Lineage OS. It is installing. Now clear cache and reboot to system. It is booting now. Booted. We'll check. Yes, we have the camera and all. Now I'm turning off and rebooting to recovery. Well, now I'm installing the GApps. It is Open GApps ARM64 Pico Android 10 GApp. So once installed, reboot to system. That's all. Finally, we have installed the Lineage OS public beta custom ROM on ASUS Zenfone Lite L1 device. The recap: wherever you are, install the PyBeta and then install TWRP Android 10 and install the Lineage OS, as simple as that. Being a public beta, we are requesting you guys to provide the bug report of this build using the Google form which I have provided in the description. By filling this with the logcat will help us to resolve the bugs as soon as possible and provide you the more stable builds. To get the instant updates, kindly follow us on our ASUS Zenfone Lite L1 channel and join the discussions in the Telegram. All the goodies are below. Thank you.